To make this structure, you're going to need a fabric of choice. So here I have organza. You can use organza, you can use organdy, you can use an actual fabric depending on what you're trying to achieve. Then you're also going to need this spiral. They call it spiral actually. I don't know if there's another name for it. So it comes like this and it has different sizes. This particular one is 2.00 mm. This is 2.0 mm, and as you can see, it is 100 yards. So for proper and easy sewing, you are going to be making use of a zipper foot. You're not going to be using the regular footer, okay? So, and as you can see, I already did some of it. I just want to show us how to achieve this. When you're doing this is a bit technical, but you just have to take your time and be careful when you're doing it. So the first thing you want to do is to fold it this way and you place it under the footer. I just hope you see what I'm doing, okay? So after that, you're going to insert the spiral bone. This is it here. You're going to insert from the wrong side this way because you want to sandwich the spiral in between your fabric. The spiral is going to be in between. Then once you insert it like this, you drag it out a little bit up to about 6 inches. So because by the time you start sewing the spiral, there's tendency of it going in, okay, just because of the nature of the spiral bonds, okay, so that it doesn't get inside finally. So after that, you start sewing, and when you are sewing, you use your hand to adjust the fabric to the size you want. You can go ahead and make use of your tape measure just to be sure that you have same inches in between all of the lines, just like this one. And when you are sewing, just like you see me doing, you need to sew very close to the spiral bone, so it is easier for you to sew together than inserting it, okay? So as you can see, I'm adjusting it with my hand. I'm making sure that the amount of fabric I sew is not wider than the previous ones that I've been doing, or that I've done rather, okay? So that is how you're going to continue to the very end. So one thing about spiral structure is that you need a longer length, all right, depending on what you want to use it for, but most of the time you need a longer length. So guys, this is what I have by the time I'm done. So I'm just going to continue to the very end. I just want to show us how it is being done. This is how you're going to continue till you exhaust all of your fabric, and at the end, this is what it's going to look like at the very end. So the end might look a bit like it wants to become longer. Just take your time and arrange it carefully. You back stitch, and then when you want to cut, you don't cut close to the edge. You leave about 5 to 6 inches, just like you did at the beginning. You do the same thing at the end. So it is when you want to secure the edge, finally, that is when you are going to cut off all of the excess. And that'll be all for this tutorial. If you find this helpful, kindly click on the like button, share this video, and subscribe to the channel if you're yet to do so. If you have any video requests, kindly drop in the comment section for me. If you have any comments or suggestion, drop in the comment section. I'll be glad to have them. Till we meet again in my next one. Bye bye.